Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet on Windows or Mac. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your device is connected to Wi-Fi but has no internet access, here's how to fix the issue. So the first thing is to check the basis. Use another device on the same network to see if the issue is isolated to your computer or the network itself. Restart your router or modem, unplug your router or modem, wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Ensure your internet service is active and not expiring on outage. Contact your ISP if needed. Number second is to restart your computer. Restarting your computer can clear temporary glitches that might affect network connectivity. Number third is troubleshoot network settings on Windows. So what you need to do is head over and right click on the Wi-Fi icon, and then you'll find the option that says troubleshoot problems, and then open settings, network and internet status. And once you're here, what you need to do is just follow the on-screen instructions to successfully troubleshoot problems. You can also reset network configuration by opening settings, network and internet status, scroll down and click on network reset and restart your computer. Now you can troubleshoot network settings on Mac as well. Go to the system preferences, network, select the Wi-Fi network and click advanced. Navigate to the TCP or IP tab, click renew DHCP lease, and then reset network configuration by opening setting preferences, network, remove the current Wi-Fi connection by clicking and re-adding it for using it. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.